The first step is to feed your Ethernet cable through the grommet into the junction box. Now take this large plastic seal and stick it on the portion of your cable that's sticking outside of the box. You'll need to force the seal into that grommet. Then we can replace the cap that we removed earlier. Once you screw that in, your junction box is properly weatherproofed. The outside elements will not be able to get in and mess with your camera's connections. However, for additional protection, you may also want to weatherproof the Ethernet cable itself using the smaller grommet that came in its own plastic packaging. Feed the cable through the smaller piece first. Next, place the small plastic seal around the cable. Finally, run the larger piece up the cable and force the plastic seal into it, just like we did with the larger seal on the outside of the junction box. Screw the two pieces together and your cable connection is good to go. This little rubber band goes around your camera's cable. Then once you connect the Ethernet cable to your camera, simply twist the grommet into place and you're all set. Squeeze all the cables into the junction box, click the camera into place, and secure the camera using that hex screw.